Okay, all you guys, I'm thinking I might sell my complete reloading outfit here. So I'm going to go over everything. I have an inquiry about it. So I have 10 of these cases. They're 100, so that's the way I keep track of 1,000 rounds. This is the RCBS case prepper. It's got 5 different attachments on there, plus an extra brush up there. Well, actually 3 brushes up there. This is for cleaning out the pins. That cleans your brass up there. It's got the stainless pins. That's the Franklin unit. You can also do it without the pins, and then if you use the pins, you empty it out in that and rotate it, and the junk goes out that filter there, and you keep your pins. Also have a magnet to pick up the pins from Franklin. Okay. There's 3,000 rounds of brass, 9mm. I haven't prepped anything on that yet. I just bought that. There's 3,000 rounds of brass, different stages. This is all complete, ready to go. That needs a final wash. That's been deprimed, needs sizing. I was kind of in the middle of doing that. The lead manual. 3 die sets, 2 for 9mm and 1 for the 380. It's for cleaning out your primer pockets, flash hole unifier is what that one is. They have 2 scales. This one works good, and this one I don't trust as much. The Lyman hand press for your primers. I do hand press on all my primers. Got the small. This is what you use on the small. This is what you use on the large primers. I have 2 of these blocks here. For a chance here. I know I got a shadow going on here bad. Your bullet checker. Let me see what this 45s. This has all your pistols basically. 380 up to 45, 44 Magnums, Colts, 38 Specials. This is a powder funnel with adapters. That's what that is. Trickle charger. It's a powder adapter. Bulge buster. That's for the 9mm. It has the die inside there. 8 boxes of small pistol primer. There is a few in here. I did use a few out of that, so it's pretty close to 8,000. It probably broke up in think I used about 150 out of it, so it's pretty close to 8,000. Man, it's waiting. 7 bottles of the Accurate Nitro 100, and there's 2 bottles of the Hoshin Titan Group, and there's probably half a pound in the press here yet, and I do have a bottle for it. So that's for the lead loader. A little bit of 380 brass. Swap over here. That's some 9mm brass, 32 long. That's some more 9mm brass. There's a little bit more in there. This is a lead loader. That powder measure very accurate. Occasionally I get 1/10 of a grain off. Very minute, and the mounting bracket, that was extra. That's for the brass tubes there, that was an extra. That's set up for a 9mm. And I bought the expander die, the Lee M die. It does a better job than just the flare. So that would have been an extra. Those are the powder. Use the different, like rifle powders and things. You got those are the metering, where you can swap those out. Find some good light here. The Marksman single stage, very accurate. I have the extra mount. I have an extra long handle, and I also have a short handle. I swapped it so you can quick die system in there. That's another extra. This is what it comes to. This is a Lee Universal deprimer. The one that really works, I just bought this. You want to pop primers out, it centers it on this. Not cheap, but boy, it works good. Also with the quick adapter on it. Another quick adapter. This tray was extra also. It has another shell holder there. Let's see what else I got hiding around here. Oh, bullets. powder-coated lead billets. The 9mm are .156, 125 grain, 500 in a box. Let me get down where I store them here. These are 4 deep. So that'd be 2,000. Well, that little, I've taken some out of that one box. Let's call it 2,000. 2,000, 4,000, 6,000. Let's see, am I counting that right? Yeah. Yeah, there's 4 boxes deep. I was thinking there was 5. That's 4. So that would be 2, 4, 6,000. These are 95 grain. So that would be they also 9mm. You can use them 9mm and 380. It's a lighter grain, but so it's 4,000. 45 ACPs are, it's a .452, 230 grain, 400 in a box. So that would be, if I remember right, that says 500 in that box. So there's pretty close to 2,000 in there. .31 or 312, 32 caliber, 93 grain, 2,500 of those. Actually, the whole reloading batch. Thing, it weighs a ton. Two younger fellas with 2 carts had to handle this for me. When it's empty, I can barely get it going to move it. It takes me a while to move one side of the wall to the other. That can also go. Trying to think if I'm missing anything here. I think this is about everything I've got reloading wise. Like I say, it's going to be an all or nothing deal. It won't be the very high rapage prices that people are asking right now, but it's not going to be jolly good old time cheap, you know. We can discuss that later, though. But that's pretty much what I have. I kind of just have interest in another project. I'm more into the solar right now. And I want to get me a cargo trailer to convert to a RV. I guess that's the only reason I'm considering selling this, is to do what I've wanted for a very long time. So, all right, I think I got everything that ammo related up here. Most of those ammo boxes is really, there's a few different odd calipers down there, but then a couple, the big ones are empty, so I do have a lot of 30 or 22 TCM, but I shoot that, so I'll just hang on to that. But 9mm and other calibers, this is about everything I have here. All right, thank you.